welcome to Jason Explains Things. Headquartered just a few miles from beautiful Mount Rainier, it's cloudy, I think it's over there, is the company responsible for some of my favorite automotive tools. In this video, you'll learn the story of Motivx Tools, get a tour of their facility, and see how their high-quality automotive tools are made right here in the USA. We'll chat about some of the challenges the folks at Motivx have to deal with, such as competing with low-quality knockoffs, and why you might want to stay away from them. Well, what do you say, Chris? Let's go inside. Come on. Come on! There you go. FYI, this video is not sponsored by Motivx. One of my big goals on YouTube is to highlight Pacific Northwest companies producing products that I love using. Leave a comment and suggest what company I should profile next. We're gonna meet the CEO. Hey, Hunter. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So give me an overview of Motivx Tools.
Motivx Tools designs and manufactures automotive tools.
How long have you been operating, and what are some of your most popular products?
We have been in business since 2015. Currently, our most popular product is our Toyota oil filter wrench.
Nice.
We have oil filter wrenches, we have drain tools for Toyota.
Right.
We have really cool fitted engine oil funnels, which a lot of people haven't heard of.
Yes. One thing that's really prominent on your website, and also just one of the reasons why I wanted to come here today, is just that you make most of your products here in the US. You did a big transition in 2021 from your older versions of your tools to the new ones. Talk about why you did that and the challenges, the process.
Painful transition.
Yeah.
I will just tell you that right up
Sure.
front. We used to import all of our products, and we decided actually before COVID that we wanted to move our manufacturing as much as we could here. Then COVID hit, and then supply chain issues, freight costs, and so we really accelerated that. We really weren't ready, but we bought our first vertical machining center in 2020 actually, with no machining experience between any of us. We figured it all out.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love that.
Thanks to YouTube.
Yeah. No, I know. I'm all about that. Like people like, you're not an expert. You're not supposed to do that. Like, I can struggle until I know what I'm doing.
Right.
That's so
exactly.
cool.
And that's what we did.
Yeah. All right, we're here with Jonathan Phillips. Nice to meet you, sir.
You too, Jason.
Marketing director, right?
Yes.
Doing from concept through raw material through completion, how it's made, tour. Let's look at concept.
When we have an idea for a product, this is where we would start, get a concept worked up, and we do Fusion 360, which is nice because it integrates both the design and then the tool pathing, or how we're going to machine or manufacture that, and that's all tied into one program. Yeah, for a fun example, we thought we'd just make up this coaster holder.
Magical. The Jason Explains Things coaster V19, to be specific.
Yeah, it took us 19 tries to get it.
Wow, I'm honored.
Yeah. So we're actually going to go out and make this in the shop today, just as an example of, going from something that's just an idea all the way to a thing you can hold in your hand.
Wait a second. What's all this?
So this is our ledge of shame.
The ledge of shame.
From employees who will not be named. People who have come up with some new products that are entirely useless.
All right, which one's your favorite?
Definitely got to be like this one, where someone just ran the same program twice and made a wrench that does not work on anything.
Really nice paperweight.
Yeah.
It's good.
I know.
That one looks really thin.
Yeah.
Let's keep going.
Okay, this is one of our Haas vertical mills. It's a VF3 SS. So this is what we're gonna make the coaster holder on. So if you wanna call the first tool, and then we'll bring the program into here.
Okay.
ATC forward. And then it will switch.
Oh, nice, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, so we're gonna set this to go
About 10 minutes.
about 10 minutes, cool.
Yep.
All right, let's keep looking around. Let's go this way. CNC machine?
Yeah, this is a CNC router. This is the first CNC that we got.
Nice.
And we use it to cut all of our foam packaging, foam trays for the wrenches. The Toyota oil change kit right now, this is the foam packaging that cut a lot of these.
Yeah. All right, Hunter, I thought we'd dig a little bit deeper into version 1 and version 2 of your Toyota oil filter housing wrenches. These are my personal ones that I've had.
Version 1, made in Taiwan. Good factory that made these. These are forged 6061 aluminum. And in this style, there's a 3/8 drive, square drive in the top.
Gotcha.
27 millimeter hex around the outside. This style engages the notches at the bottom.
For plastic and metal housing?
Yes, correct.
Right.
Correct. So when we switched our manufacturing to the US, we came out with this style. The drive hub, which is this red center part, is 3/8 drive, but we reduced the outside to 24 millimeter because it's a more common size than 27.
Okay.
Secondly, we were able to use 2 different types of aluminum on this wrench as opposed to just 6061. The red part is 7075. It's typically like a structural aircraft grade aluminum. These notches can actually break those plastic tabs. So when we redesigned the wrench, we got rid of this. Because this is CNC machine, we can hold a super tight tolerance on this fluted portion. There's no reason to bring it down farther.
All right. Oil filter wrenches.
We have finished parts. So if everything went right, we get 36 parts out that are ready to roll.
Yeah, we got some footage of this running earlier today. What do you do with all the chips?
Everything gets kind of swept down into an auger here. That goes out into big bins, and then we recycle all that. So we recycle thousands of pounds of aluminum every month.
Most of your competition, especially on Amazon, looks a lot like this.
Yes.
Talk about dealing with the $8, $9, $10 versions of these.
In my opinion, the race to the bottom is so it's called.
Sure.
That's not something that we're even remotely interested in doing. Everything from the design to the materials, the whole wrench is a better experience than. So, 30 versus 10.
Right.
It's definitely more money, but your $10 wrenches they're cast aluminum, so they're very porous. You see wrenches that have just split in half, generally, diagonally where your 3/8 drive is, and they're just not very strong.
Sure.
That's how they can make them for $10.
All right, which machine is this?
Okay, this is another Haas vertical mill. This is Cheesy.
Cheesy.
Because it came from Wisconsin.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
And what are we making? We're making smaller parts here.
Yeah, so this is for our drain tool for Toyotas. So we'll chuck up a raw piece of aluminum just like that. And this is 7075, so this is harder than your standard aluminum.
Gotcha.
And then on this operation, we'll get half of the part out on the other side.
And so you guys built all these too, right?
So we made all of this fixturing. Yep, all of this we made in-house. And then we also made it to where switching parts in and out was super fast. So this will put out 158 completed parts.
Okay.
You just push the button once and then get 158 parts out the other side. So that allows us to run about 6 hours unattended on this machine.
Go Cheesy, go.
Go Cheesy, go.
Right? Right, Chris?
So that's op one. So now then we'll turn it over just like this, index it to the side and press play. Do you want to press the green button?
I want to press the green button.
I figured you would. Oh, wait. Wrong button.
You said the big green button.
Not yet. We have to select the other program.
Oh, we were going to do that again.
You were just going to make the wall.
I want to make the wall. All right, Hunter, we now have some visual aids in front of us. I saw on your website that you have these beautiful sets of sockets and ratchets.
So these are made in Taiwan by a factory. They do very good work. I've personally been there.
Would you be interested in making these kind of things here as well as the filter wrenches?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
At this point, we just lack the equipment to do that.
Yeah.
But that's certainly the direction that we want to take the company.
All right, we got one more cool machine. Lasers, you guys.
This is our engraving laser. So it's a 60-watt laser that etches or engraves the top of our oil filter wrenches, and also will engrave and cut out our packaging foam.
Super etched, you guys. Made in the USA, which is where we are, right?
So
and I helped.
You did. All right, so when it comes time to assemble, this is the component parts that the assembler would get. So the first thing is this box, which is made in the USA as well. And so the first thing they'd put in is a silicone hose. Your wrench goes in the middle, just like that. Top of the funnel, just like that. And then that's the presentation. All right, op 2 is finished. Jason didn't break anything.
Hey, that is classy.
And there's your final piece.
What? I like it. Oh, that's awesome. You stole my logo. They stole my logo. I did not get permission for this. I'm very upset. Well, thank you, man. That's so cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is not staged because I didn't expect this. Jonathan, that is so awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks
that is
for
really
coming.
cool. Where can people find more information about Motivx Tools?
Motivxtools.com is the best place to go. And if you use Jason Explains in the checkout, you'll get 5% off.
That is awesome. Thank you very much for doing that for people watching. What would you like to hear from the audience, like for comments, like ideas for more tools or?
Absolutely, yeah. We're just getting caught up with a bunch of our production, and so we're looking now to what other problems can we solve? What tools do people need? So for Colorado users, what do you guys need? What are you looking for? Let us know in the comments and we'll pay attention for sure.
That is awesome. Great. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, God bless, and don't forget to do yourself.